Namaste students. Today we will discuss the chapter hardware and software. I request all of you, those have books, please open your book and look at in your book, okay, instead of looking at the mobile screen. So first is hardware. Hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer. That means all the parts of a computer which have a weight, which have a physical body that we can touch, we can break, we can throw, which we can take in our hand, that is called hardware. But software is different. Softwares are the part of computer that we cannot touch, only we can see and we can feel it. For example, keyboard, monitor, CPU, mouse, printer, scanner, means CD, pen drive, whatever we can touch, we can break, we can throw, which has a physical body, which has a weight, all these parts are comes in hardware components. Okay, so now we will see the different components of a hardware. So it is divided into three parts, okay, three components. Means first is input device, next come output device, next is storage device. Okay, one more is there, that is processing device. It is not included because maybe these processing device, there is only one, that is CPU. Okay, so CPU is also a hardware device. So first let us discuss about input devices. Input devices are those devices which helps us to feed instructions, to feed data to the computer, using which devices we give instructions, we give commands, orders to the computer, what to do, how to do, when to do. These instructions, how we give, using which devices we give, these are known as input device. Now let us discuss some input devices. First, scanner. A scanner is used to input drawings, images, text, etc. into a computer. It works like a photocopier machine. That means it works like a camera. But when we scan the photograph or the document, it gives a clear image than the camera. Suppose you have a photograph in your album. Now you want that photo to be in your computer. So there are two ways. Either you have to take the camera on and click the photo, then upload it into the computer, or you can do directly scan. Okay, when you will scan, directly the soft copy of the printed photograph will go to the computer. Next is joystick. It is used to play games. It gives direction. In any direction you can move the pointer using it, and it is also used to select options. Next is microphone. You know, microphone is a input device, but speaker is a output device, because microphone is used to record our voice. That means our voice goes inside to the computer. Okay, but speaker is an output device, because in speaker we get the sound, we hear the sound from the computer. Next is digital camera. Digital camera is also known as input device, because it transfers the photographs to the computer. Next, one activity is given. Here you need to write the device name. I know that you can write, just complete it. Okay, next is output device. You know what is output device? After getting the data from the input device, the CPU, that means the computer, process it, finds out the result and sends to the output device, so that we can get the result. And this type of devices which gives us the result are known as output devices. For example, monitor. It shows us the result, so it is a output device. Next, speakers. As already I have mentioned that speakers gives us sound from the computer, so speaker is also a output device. Next, printer. Printer gives us output in paper. Okay, it is also known as hard copy. So these three are popular output devices. Sorry, one more device is there, that is plotter. Plotter is same like printer, but it is used to give printout in large papers. Okay, large cloths like the banners, the flags that we print. It is cannot be printed by a printer. Printer is very small, no? So plotter is used to print these banners and all. Our next topic is storage devices. Do you know storage device? Which are known as storage devices? storage devices are like the memory of a computer. They are used to save data. Okay, which devices of a computer are used to store data, to store information, are known as storage devices. The first example of storage devices we will discuss is the hard disk. It is the main storage device of a computer. All the softwares, even the operating system, are saved in the hard disk. Okay, it is generally fixed inside the CPU. Next, CD, it also known as compact disc. Okay, it is round in shape and it is used to store information, but it can store very less amount of data compared to the hard disk, pen drive, DVD. Next is DVD. It also looks like same like the CD, but its capacity is more than the CD. Next is pen drive. Nowadays very much popular, though it is very small in size, but it can store very large amount of data. Datas or informations in the pen drive are very safe and they can be easily carried from one place to another. Our next topic is software. About this we will discuss in the next class. Okay then, thank you. Bye bye.